Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to send secret messages on BiP Messenger. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Secret chat allows you to send messages, which will disappear after a time chosen by you. To begin, open BiP Messenger on your phone. Select the conversation where you want to send secret message. Tap on the paperclip icon beside the message box. A menu will pop up from the bottom. Tap on Secret Message. Now select the duration that your messages will disappear. Then tap on Apply from the bottom. Go back. You now have secret message activated on your chat. Type anything in the message box and send. The yellow timer beside your message counts down the time until your message disappears. Before sending the next message, you can change the timer from here. So in this way, you can send secret message on BiP Messenger. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.